So Hare Krishna, my name is Gunarupini Devidasi. So today's class we are just learning a basic pattern of beading. So this is called crisscross beading. So this is called crisscross beading. So this is the simplest method pattern we are using it. So for this we require pearls. So what I have used is 4 mm pearls and then 3 mm gold beads, and it's also called as spacer beads. And then I have used 6 mm roundel crystals. And I have used 10 0 size seed bead. These are called seed beads and they are size of 10 0. And then we need a fire line. So you can use beading threads or nylon threads or wildfire threads, but for this pattern I have used fire line, which is 8.50 yards. And it is 0.009 mm size. And then we need a ribbon to tie the knot. We also need 2 jump rings on both the sides. These are called jump rings. So we are starting with this So first we need to tie a jump ring. So we'll take a thread and we'll tie a jump ring. And then we'll make one crystal in both the needle. We'll put one crystal in both the needle. Then we'll separate the needles, and on either side, in one needle we'll put 1 golden, 2 pearls and 1 golden. Same pattern, we'll make 1 loop, and then we'll put 1 crystal and we'll crisscross it. And then this pattern will follow all through the round. I think we made 10 loops. So, and we are making it as odd number. We are choosing it as odd numbers because so that we can have a proper center in between.
So you mean the red crystal beads are odd numbers?
Yes.
The loops are even numbers, but the red crystal beads are odd numbers.
Odd numbers, yes.
Okay.
So that we can have a proper center.
And center so that you can have these hangings.
Hangings, yes.
Okay.
So in the first round we completed the upper portion. Then we'll take another thread and we'll start beading from here. And so we'll make loops. We'll make the hangings one by one. So for the hanging also, what you have to do is you have to put first golden, 2 pearls, 1 crystal and 1 seed bead. So and we have to pass through. We have to skip this seed bead and we have to pass through crystal, 2 pearl bead and 1 golden bead, so that the thread is not visible. And this will follow all through the round. And then at the end we'll put this thread. We'll put this ribbon so that we can tie. We can use lot of hangings. There are a lot of hangings and clasps also used, but for us this is more convenient, so that it is easy to tie.
So there are 2 ways of tying here. On one side you have the jump ring, and the other side you directly tied it to the thread.
Yes.
So whatever works for anyone they can use, or they can also have link chains.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.